So today I am going to share with you my complete cashmere sweater collection. Every single one of these pieces, besides just one, have all been thrifted. Some of these I have had for many, many years. Others are more recent. So let's get into this video and stay tuned to the end. I have a giveaway. All right, so what do we have? So my first one is something that I got thrifted a few years ago, and I think it's the only standalone short sleeve cashmere sweater that I have. This is Banana Republic, and this is a large, and obviously I don't wear a large. It doesn't matter if you like oversized stuff. Sometimes you have to size up, and it was thrifted. So just a really pretty chocolate brown. And I like this that it's short sleeve because I can wear this when it's not quite cold enough out yet to wear something that's a little bit more bulkier or long sleeve or even a turtleneck. So there's my first sweater. And then my next one, this one I just picked up. I think I showed this in my thrift haul video, one of them. This one is from Saks Fifth Avenue. And it is a twin set, and it's 100% cashmere. It's a beautiful beige cable knit. I mean, what more could you ask for if you want classic style? This is it right here, isn't it? Isn't that gorgeous? So it's a zip cardigan, and then it's got the short sleeve mock neck sweater underneath there. So you end up getting two pieces. I think this was $12. And it's just gorgeous. So there's that. And then moving on, let's do my light colored, colorful. These are like my sprinkle pieces, right? So these don't go with every single thing in my wardrobe, but I can wear them with like my jeans and certain colored trousers. So my first one is, this is a vintage Lord & Taylor pale pink Henley cashmere sweater. Now this one, of course, is more form-fitting on me, but this looks so cute with my black faux leather trousers. This looks really good with jeans. And I think I can even style this up with my gray trousers that I just got that I showed you. Isn't that pretty? So I have that. And then my next colorful one is this really cool, it's like a robin's egg blue. This is a peck and peck cashmere. Isn't that pretty? So this one looks really good with a white t-shirt underneath it. So again, this will go with jeans. This will go with my black faux leather trousers. This would even look good with brown. Oh my gosh. Robin's egg blue and brown. Yeah, so I'm actually getting ideas as I'm talking about this. And then I have, this one is Investments Fine Cashmere. This is like a melon color. This is so pretty. And this looks really good with my skin tone and my hair. This color looks really good on a lot of women. And it's just something fun. It's just a little sprinkle. This is going to look really good with brown, with charcoal gray, or with cream. So there's that one. And then I have a J. Crew. This is a navy blue. So this is almost like a cropped cashmere sweater. And it is, whoops, 3/4 sleeve. So this one is nice. This one is good for autumn. When we get into like January and February, I tend to not wear this one too much unless I'm going to layer it like under a blazer. So there's that. And then my next one is another navy blue. This is Elena Solano 2-ply cashmere. And it's got a really cool, almost like a boat neck collar on it, if you can see that. Super soft. This one is super thin. Even though it's 2-ply cashmere, it's super thin. So again, this is something that, for me personally, I can wear this under a blazer or on a warmer day, and I won't feel like I'm going to overheat on that level. My next one, now this one is a charcoal gray button front cardigan. This is a Sutton cashmere, And I just love the detailing on that. If you can see that on there, kind of hard to see where the sun is shining today. And then it's got 2 little pockets in the front, but isn't that cute? Love that one. And then this is the only cashmere sweater in this collection that I purchased brand new. And I've probably had this for maybe 15 years, and it came from, I think it came from Kohl's. Yeah, it's apartment 9. And it's so funny because it's argyle, and I think argyle is coming back around. I don't know. I don't pay attention to the trends or anything like that, but I've always liked argyle. I just think it's so cool, and it's to me it's kind of, Scottish or Irish or whatever, but I just love it. So this is black, and it's got the argyle in turquoise with the little white. And then it's got some really pretty buttons. And see, that looks just like new. Now, what I have done is I went on Amazon and I got one of those pillars, because if you find a really nice sweater and you're hesitating to buy it, a vintage sweater or a thrifted sweater, because it's got some pilling on it, and cashmere is going to do that, get one of those little pilling machines, and you can just run that over the whole entire sweater, and it will remove those, and you will have a brand new sweater again. So that's something with natural fabrics that'll tend to happen, especially when you do wear them a lot. So there's that. And then now we're going into some of my blacks and my beiges here. So I have another Investments cashmere sweater, and this one is an extra large, which is cool. Again, you kind of, if you like to have some stuff that's more fitted and then stuff that's more oversized, just get something in a larger size. Okay, so just black crew neck, oversized, beautiful cashmere sweater. And then this is one of my favorites. This is a V-neck, and it's a cable knit. This is a Ralph Lauren. This is a large cashmere sweater, and this one is a lot thicker, and it's got a beautiful V-neck on it, and it is probably the second softest cashmere sweater I have in my collection. So there's that one. And then I have, let's see here, I have a turtleneck black cashmere sweater. This one is a Talbot's, and it's a little bit oversized. It's just a size medium, but it's got a real nice turtleneck. So on a nice cold day, I can wear this, put a blazer over it, and not have to put a coat on, unless it's like, 0 degrees outside. So I have that. And then my next one is going to be like a charcoal gray. This is a Madison cashmere. And this one, of course, is so luxuriously soft. And charcoal gray is a good color for me. If it's a lighter gray, it's not always workable, but this one I wear quite a bit. I've had this one for probably 5 years, wear it all the time. And then this one is actually a men's cashmere 3/4 zip. And this is a brand called, I don't know if you say it, it's just QI, and it says New York. And what size is this? It's a medium, but it's a men's cashmere sweater. So for me, it's oversized, but how cool is that? And I think I paid like $6 or $7 for this, and it's very soft. And none of these cashmere sweaters, when I wear them, they don't itch, but I still wear a sleeveless, like a white or a black tee underneath it. And also, if you don't overheat like I do too easily, you can wear a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt underneath it, and that'll just help your sweater stay fresher longer. So there's that one. And then I have a really cute chocolate brown. This one is a Neiman Marcus. This is a size medium. This is a turtleneck, and it's chocolate brown. This one's a little bit more fitted, and I've already worn this, and this looks really good under my vintage plaid blazer. So there's that. And then I have this really pretty camel colored one. It's a V-neck. It's a cable knit. This is from J. Crew. And this one is so luxurious and soft. Oh my God, I can't even stand it. It's so soft, you guys. And it's super lightweight. So this actually looks really familiar to some of you. For me, it does. I've seen some videos where they're showcasing Lily Silk all the time, right? And there's a couple of them that have shown like a cream colored, lightweight cashmere sweater from Lily Silk. I don't know what that costs. It's probably like $150 or something like that. But this was probably $6 or $7. And it's gorgeous. Love that one. And then I have a beige, and this is more of, I mean, it's a turtleneck, but it's not real form-fitting around my neck. It's loose. All of these are, which I love. And this is another J. Crew, and this is more of a fitted, and then it's got that beautiful ribbing detail on the neckline there. So there's that. Love that. And then I have a beautiful, oh my gosh, this one is just so stunning, so classic, and it is from Precious Fibers, and this one's actually an extra small, and it's a cable knit cream colored cashmere sweater, but it's oversized. How stunning is this? Isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? I mean, this is one of my favorites. And then it's got the rib detail on the neckline there. Isn't that gorgeous? So there's that. So that's my cashmere sweater collection. Now, my giveaway, this is going to be for the first person that can find my email in my About Me page on YouTube. If you scroll down, there's a button you can click on. My email will pop up. Send me an email and put your name and your address in there. And it's for the cashmere sweater. And this one is from Belford. This is a large, it's 100% cashmere. And this is a turtleneck, and it's a beautiful melon color. Isn't that gorgeous? So there you go. So this is the sweater I'm giving away. So the first person that sends me an email that says they would like this cashmere sweater, put your full name and your address, in the United States only, nothing out of the country, because otherwise it costs too much to ship these things. But I will gladly mail this to you. So there you go. That's my 99.9% thrifted cashmere sweater collection. So this will just give you some ideas where you can go and find these things at thrift stores or vintage stores. These I've all purchased from thrift stores. And I think the most expensive one, besides my new one, but all of the thrifted ones, this was probably the most expensive, this twin set. I think it was $12. And yeah, otherwise they're super affordable. And I just love cashmere. I love cashmere. I love silk, but I'm not going to buy retail. I'm just not going to do it. And if you want to buy retail, a really good place to buy cashmere sweaters that have a very good price point is Quince. And there's some people on YouTube that do videos, talking about Quince. I have a few pieces from them, no cashmere, but I have some sleeveless t-shirts that I bought from them that I absolutely love, because those are next to impossible to find thrifted. And I do have my black biker style jacket that I got from them, because again, that's something that I've been looking for one of those thrifted for years, couldn't find it, so I bought one from them. But they have good quality, and their crew neck, like their classic crew neck sweaters, they have, I don't know how many colors now, it's well over 15, I think. They're like $50. So and they're well made. It's not like you're buying garbage or anything like that. They're a really good company, in my opinion. And that's just, I'm not telling you to go out and shop or anything like that, retail or thrifted for that matter. But if you are looking for something and you can't find it, maybe check out Quince, and they have lots of different styles of cashmere sweaters, not just the crew neck one, and they have different price points. But yeah, so there's my cashmere sweater collection and my beautiful giveaway sweater here. again, for the first person that emails me anywhere in the United States, I will mail that out to you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Click subscribe to my channel for future content on lifestyle, fashion, you know, a little bit of home stuff. I might do a video on my holiday decor. I don't do a whole lot of it anymore for Christmas. I do have some really special pieces that I like, and I just sprinkle it throughout the house. I just want it to be very understated and calm and all of that fun stuff. So that's kind of what I do. So I might do a little video on that. But yeah, and then I'm going to do a try-on video with those charcoal gray trousers I got. And I could literally take those pants and put them with pretty much any top that I have in my entire wardrobe. That's how versatile they are. So I kind of had to narrow it down to what I was going to do in that video to just kind of show you how I'm going to style those pants up. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to do that video. That'll be coming out soon too. So wherever you're at in the world, I hope you're all doing well. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for further content, completely unscripted and unedited and loads of fun. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.